So as usual, this is part 2, going to Burps and Giggles from the lane. As usual, if you want a reference point, that's Jalan BJ Timah. This is restaurant Tian Chun. Restaurant Tian Chun has that kai si sao fan, or shredded chicken hor fun noodle soup using prawns as the soup base. Very sweet, very nice, very delicious. A lot of people love to eat that one, and for me, I love it as well. But very sweet, very nice, but not a lot. So you have to have like two portions of it to like satisfy your hunger. Definitely. So Burps and Giggles is comprising of 4 shop lots. So let's enter the establishment. So this is the front door, and there's lack of space really. It's like a traffic jam already. So god damn it. Wow, there's still a lot of people coming in already. Yeah. Ah, yeah. So there seems to be quite a lot of pretty girls around. So I think I'm not gonna interview them, but I think I need to take a piss. I want to take a piss actually. So yeah, wait for like part 3, and okay. So this new section of this Burps and Giggles is called the Missing Marbles. So let's go back. Ooh, fuck. Let's go back and go and take a look at what this Missing Marbles has to offer. Hiya. So this
it's called Missing Marbles.
Missing Marbles.
Yeah, and then our menu over here, we are selling ramen, mee siam, satay.
Oh, it's
it's an
Asian food.
Yeah,
oh.
Asian. Yeah.
So what's your name?
I'm called Ken.
Ken?
Yeah.
Okay, Ken. Thank you very much. How long have you opened this missing balls?
About Missing Marbles, about 1 month. 1
month. Oh, 1 month.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I haven't noticed it before. Thank you, Ken.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you very much. So that's the kitchen?
Yeah, that's the kitchen.
And
then behind there, also we have the Burps and Bobs. We are selling ice ball.
Oh, I never seen it before. Can I go and take a look?
Sure. Selling ice ball and then ice ball.
Oh, ice ball. Huh? So here's the kitchen. Hi, how are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Sudip. Sudip.
Sulip.
Yes.
Where are you? Okay, where are you from?
Nepal.
Oh, Nepal. Okay. So you're the chef, huh? Are you?
Sorry, no camera.
Oh, no camera. Sorry about that. Can I go through here?
Yes.
What's your name? Are you the manager?
I'm the manager. I'm Jessie.
Oh, you're Jessie. Oh, okay. So you only do marbles, isn't it?
No.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Jessie, is it?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So, can you tell me about the history of this Burps and Giggles?
I think the person should be Dexter. He's the boss. Maybe he can, but I think now he's busy.
Oh, he's busy. Okay, thank you, Jessie. Thank you very much. So this one is outside of the missing marbles here. So it's called the Bits and Bobs. So I'm not sure about this place. I think they just try to sell some merchandising, and there's copyrighted songs around already, so I can't like go too deep into it. Hopefully my voice is blocking the songs. So this is another part of this place. It's not part of this Bits and Bobbles. It's not part of Bits and Bobbles, but well, I don't know. I do not know now. I'm kind of lost actually. So amidst all these old pre-war buildings, there's new rejuvenation in this old part of town. So the new establishment here is called Plan B. I guess it's the same thing, coffee, drinks and whatnot. And yeah. Oh, now I know this is the art gallery. This is the art gallery. Shit, I thought it was closed. This is the art, and I thought this one was cordoned off already, so well, that's bang, bang, bang. So there's one artist here. I don't know where he is now. Hi, how are you, Bang? Bang Minching, isn't it? How are you?
Hey!
How are you? You're in TV, right?
Yes.
Okay. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Okay. Hans and Chingson is inside there.
Oh, okay.
So this one, there's an artist here, but I don't see him at all. So there's an old friend. So I guess that's about it. I want to go and take a piss and have a smoke. Definitely. I really thought that this place was condemned or closed down, but it seems to be here. So it's quite surprising that it's still around. Oh my god. So let's go back into Burps and Giggles. Very interesting indeed. Hey, guess who is here? Pang Ming Ching. Yeah. No, this guy. Biết là. Yeah.
What was his reaction?
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I don't care actually. Oh yeah. Shit.
We're waiting for you to take picture before we can start.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. I'm sorry. Sorry. So you can see that there's some fries there with.
There's no editing, so the whole shit, no fuck is gonna show up.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. So
Okay.
this. Okay. Shit. Oh fuck. This looks very delicious actually. It comes with some chips, fried.
Chunky cut chips.
Huh?
Chunky cut chips.
Chunky cun chips.
Cut. C-U-T. Minus the N.
Oh, chunky cut chips, not cunts. Okay. Good. So big chips or baked potatoes. It comes with some kind of spices and stuff.
Chili flakes.
Chili flakes and of course seasoned with salt and pepper. That's the usual thing.
It's supposed to be a truffle oil, but I don't see any.
Truffle oil. Truffle is that fungus thingy, mushroom thingy, right?
Yep.
It's very expensive.
Supposedly.
It's from France and stuff only. So we have this one here. This is quiche. Yeah, it's a British thing, I think. French. It's a French thing. So, and this one is a donut.
Chocolate cake, we call it.
Okay, it's a chocolate cake. So this is the food. So see you, Malaysia, and I need to take a piss. Bye bye.